Hey guys, you might have faced the scenario where you wanted to run a Python program from the shell script. So this is how you can achieve that. Now you can run Python programs from a shell script by simply calling the Python command and passing the name of the Python script as an argument. So first of all, you can create a simple .sh file. Let's say the name would be runprogram.sh, and you can open it in any text editor like Notepad++ or Notepad. Now you can add this hash exclamatory sign slash bin slash bash. So this will tell the system that the file should be interpreted as a shell script. Now once that is done, you can add Python and your Python script. Now you can replace this myprogram.py with your Python script name. Now then you can save and close the text editor. Once that is done, you can make your shell script executable by running this chmod plus x command and your script name. Now what will happen is you are giving execution permission on the file so that it can run as a program. Now once that is done, you can just run dot slash script name and it will run the shell script. Thank you.